Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday rolled out the Achievers of the Month program, a flagship government initiative aimed at celebrating outstanding achievers and strengthening Meghalaya's entrepreneurship ecosystem through recognition and storytelling and innovation. Launching the initiative, the Chief Minister said the program would serve as a platform to spotlight success stories from diverse sectors, inspire aspiring entrepreneurs and showcase the impact of government interventions in driving innovation and enterprise. He asserted that while the government provides the enabling ecosystem through policies, infrastructure and institutional support, entrepreneurship remains the engine of economic growth and sustainable livelihood creation. He said the initiative seeks to mainstream entrepreneurial success stories by breaking sectoral silos and announced that the entire month of July would be dedicated to entrepreneurship through a series of outreach programs, storytelling sessions, and digital campaigns highlighting local achievers. Reaffirming the government's push for an entrepreneurship-driven economy, the Chief Minister noted that opportunities for enterprise extend beyond conventional businesses to sectors such as agriculture, sports, music, and other emerging industries. He also underscored the transformative role of Prime in nurturing grassroots entrepreneurs and helping local enterprises scale to national and global markets. Entrepreneurs who attended the program shared their entrepreneurial journeys, challenges, and growth stories while expressing appreciation for the government's initiative to recognize their contributions. They also interacted with the Chief Minister, discussing strategies for scaling up their ventures and seeking sustained government support to further strengthen the state entrepreneurial landscape. A total of 50 entrepreneurs from across Meghalaya were felicitated during the program. The Achiever of the Month honor was conferred on Andy Cooper Lingdor, founder and CEO of Paradigmatics Private Limited, a Shillong-based export-oriented creative agency that has rapidly expanded its global footprint by serving Fortune 500 companies and international clients across the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia.
Excel in sports, had a lot of passion in sports, and wanted to do things in sports. So we started to revive the Meghalaya Games. We started putting up infrastructures everywhere. We started supporting the associations, and now we are almost at the cusp of hosting the national games here in Meghalaya. Similarly, our farmers were doing their normal day-to-day activities and doing their day-to-day life, livelihood programs, livelihood activities. And we realized that we need to just push them a bit more. So different programs like CM Assure, Focus Plus, Focus, and so many other cooperative programs through which food processing units were provided. Many of them have been set up, and today thousands of farmers are being supported. My point here, what I'm trying to tell you is that across the spectrum of our economy, and across the regions and across different areas, different interventions have been done to support different stakeholders. And therefore, when we are seeing this happen, all of these are actually working in a way in silos, because obviously they are all sector oriented and specific areas. And they don't come to know what's happening in the different sectors and how different people are being supported. So that is why we came up with this program for Achiever of the Month. And it's very, very simple. We want to share your story with the world. That's number one. And therefore this month, we realized that we will dedicate a month. So though it's 30th of June, it's the whole month of July, which will be dedicated to entrepreneurs. So we want to start with this whole concept of having entrepreneurs being showcased. We will come up with stories. I will speak to entrepreneurs. I will try to do some different social media programs with you, and to really share your story with the rest of the state. And in the process, hopefully I will recognize some of the good work that some of you have done. And all of you have done good work, but some of the work, I will say, I cannot share all the work. But some of the work that some of you have done, I'll be able to share that. I'll be able to motivate other entrepreneurs who would want to be like you. And your stories may end up actually making them make that very important decision in life of what they want to do. And you may think that your story is very simple, but it's not. It is truly inspiring. We heard just 3 stories out here. I'm sure every one of you has a special story to tell. So I want you to share your stories through your channels, through your eyes, and through your story, in the sense that how you went through. What was it? Because what we see, what Prime sees is different, but what you experienced is different. So I want this kind of a movement to take place. And therefore we thought that we'll have this platform where we'll allow Achievers of the Month to come and share their stories, and we will motivate them, as well as we will recognize them, and we will allow others to be also motivated by their story and encouraged by their story. And therefore, like next month, we may have a Achiever of the Month for sports, where we will have different sports persons who have achieved different heights in sports, them coming and sharing their stories, and that again will motivate somebody else. The week after that, we may have farmers, Achiever of the Month in terms of farmers coming in. Another day, we'll have maybe teachers coming in. We'll have maybe ashas and health workers coming in. Maybe we'll have government servants coming in and bureaucrats coming in. I don't think politicians are a great group to get, but yeah, maybe we'll get politicians too. So like that, we just keep improving and keep sharing the stories, and that's what the background of this whole idea is. So just wanted to give you the background because it's the first program we're having. But coming to entrepreneurship, I think it's quite clear that that we as a government are very, very bullish, I should say, about entrepreneurship. And obviously there's a reason for it. And the reason is very, very simple. And it is realizing that government is nothing but a facilitator. Government creates the policies. Government creates the infrastructure. And government provides the base and the facilities that are required for the economy to move forward.